Hi, welcome to Catia V5 video tutorial. A follow-up to the last one, the simple stent, now an advanced stent. And I will do only the improved version, very similar to the Siemens NX version. And you could do it similar to the advanced version in Siemens NX, but I will do only the improved one by using circular sweeps. So let's have fun with Catia V5. Okay, first we need a 3D spline. You can use a freestyle spline or a spline through points. And I've already created one 3D curve here. So I will need a plane normal to that curve. Lock it and go to the curve, select the point or just create an endpoint like that here and confirm. Now a sketch on that plane here, confirm. I need a line which is maybe like that here. Depending on that length, it might work or not work. So leave that sketch. Now let's go for a sweep. It should be one with a profile. Yeah, that's the profile. And with a reference surface, yes. Guide curve would be that curve here, and the surface is the default mean plane. That's okay. And confirm. And now I want to use this surface as reference surface for the next sweep. But for the next sweep I will need another profile. So let's go to another sketch on that plane. I could hide these or I could leave it like it is. Doesn't really matter. But if I hide it, I have to bring in that point, which is right here as construction point. Now let's add a hexagon right on this point, but this should not be for construction. Okay, and add one dimension to that circle, and that diameter might be 10 millimeter. Leave that sketch, and now we can do another sweep. Let's show this, and again with a reference surface. So the profile would be this one here, the guide curve would be again that 3D curve, but now the reference surface is this one, and I want to go for that option here. That's okay, and confirm. But I need some more twists, so let's go here for a law, switch to linear and make it, let's say, from 0 degrees to 1800 degrees. Close and confirm. That's more like it. Let's hide sweep 1, and I will need this sweep with reversed turns. So I will copy this one, go for copy, paste it right there, and change that value to minus 1800 degrees. Great. Now let's hide sweep 3 and extract those edges. Maybe activate your user selection filter and go to extract, double click it and select first edge, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and the last one No, that's not right. Let's zoom in a little bit. That's the one. Confirm. Then hide sweep 2, show sweep 3, and extract those edges as well. So that would be the first, second. Let's zoom in a little bit. That's the third one. So this didn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's wrong. So let's undo this. Happens all the time. Go back to extract. So that's the right one. And now I should have 12. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 12. That's okay. Great. Now I need circular sweeps. So let's hide that sweep as well. And make sweeps with those extracts. So let's hide that sweep as well, right? Then maybe hide that sketch. Go for the sweep. You need circular sweeps. Radius maybe 0.5. And begin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I will need one more. Radius 5 mm. And the 3D curve should be the center curve. Confirm and then cancel this out. Let's hide those extracts. And maybe hide the last sweep. Deactivate your user selection filter, and now we have to switch to our part design workbench. Now I want to close all those surfaces apart from the last one. So go to double click, that will be a new body. Sweep 4, confirm, maybe hide it. Double click, sweep 5, hide it just to have a better control what's happening. And it's quite fast calculated here in Catia because it makes of all those closed sweeps one solid. Let's hope I've got them all. But we will see if I've missed one. Might happen. And you will notice it is really very fast calculated. Especially in comparison to the other programs where I stopped the recording because otherwise it would have taken too long. So cancel this out and see if we've got all those. Yes, looks good. And if it doesn't work, you might change the length of that line, because if it's too small, it will not work. Okay, and now I want to thicken that sweep here. So go for thicken 0.5 in both directions. Not 0.5, 0.15, 0.15, and that sweep here, and it should be in a new body. So let's cancel this out. I need a new body. Yes, and now we can thicken it. 0.15, 0.15, that sweep here, and confirm. And the last step right now is I have to intersect this body here with the part body. So go for intersection, should be over here, and I want to intersect that body here with the part body and confirm. This will take a little bit longer, but even it's really fast in comparison to the other programs. Which shows the power of Catia V5. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on Instagram, GrabCAD, Facebook, Twitter, and many more. And you could also watch my new Catia V5 video training on LinkedIn Learning, because you can do a free trial month over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.